Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the email on your Amazon account in 2025. If you've recently switched email providers or just want to update your account details for better security, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your new email linked to Amazon without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Amazon.com. Log in with your current Amazon account credentials. Once you're in, move your cursor to the top right of the screen and click on Account and Lists. From here, you'll see several options. Select Login and Security. Now, Amazon may ask you to re-enter your password at this point just to confirm it's really you. Go ahead and type it in. Inside the Login and Security section, you'll see your account details, including your current email address. Next to it, click the Edit button. This is where you'll enter your new email address. Double-check that you type it correctly, because Amazon will send a verification code to this new email. Once you've entered the new address, click Continue. Now, open the inbox of your new email account. You should see a message from Amazon containing a one-time password or OTP. Copy that code and go back to your Amazon tab. Paste or type the code into the verification field, then click Continue. As a final layer of security, Amazon will ask you for your current account password one more time. Enter it, then click Save Changes. That's it. Your Amazon account is now officially linked to your new email address. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.